The brand sent this product to me. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. This is the King 6-piece set, and I'll take it out of the package so you can see the fabric up close. Right away, you can tell it feels soft and lightweight. The material has smooth finish that gives you the hotel style look and feel. This set includes one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, and four pillowcases, so it's a complete bedding setup. The fitting sheet is designed with deep pockets that fits mattress from 8 to 16 inches, which help it stay in place without slipping off the corners. The fabric is breathable and designed to feel cool and comfortable against the skin, making it a nice option for year-round use. It also has wrinkle-resistant finish, so it looks neat without a lot of effort, and it's easy to care for the wash. If you're looking for a simple, soft, all-white sheet set in a clean hotel-inspired feel, this is a great option to consider.